Welcome to ZT classes. In last lecture, we had talked about different products which we can obtain from common salt involving chlor-alkali process. This lecture will talk about different products which we can obtain involving Solvay process and the reaction related to it. The process is industrial process to produce baking soda in large scale. So what we are doing in Solvay process is we are passing the brine, that is NaCl plus H2O, in ammonia absorber, and the ammonical brine obtained is collected in carbonation tower. और दूसरे चैम्बर में limestone जो है that is heated, और जो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड इवॉल्व हो रही है that is collected in carbonation tower. And this reaction, full reaction is taking place in carbonation tower with production of sodium bicarbonate, also called as baking soda, and sodium ammonium chloride. Okay, these are the products we are obtaining from Solvay process. So the new products obtained are, one is baking soda and second is ammonium chloride. Common salt as one of the raw material, through Solvay process we can produce baking soda. It's also called as sodium bicarbonate or sodium hydrogen carbonate. ठीक है, ये आपका जो है this is white in color and this is mildly basic. Let's talk about its uses. It's used extensively in kitchen, mainly for making crispy pakoras. It's also used in baking products, for example to make bread, cake, pancake. So actually baking soda जो है, when it is heated, CO2 gas is released, and this CO2 gas is what gives the fluffiness to the cakes which are being baked. तो ये जो CO2 bubbles हैं, they get trapped, and when it's being heated they expand, and because of that the cake rise and we get our baking products. तो ये जो baking powder है, baking powder is not only baking soda but some amount of tartaric acid is also added in it. तो अब यहाँ पर tartaric acid क्यों ऐड कर रहे हैं? तो अगर आप रिएक्शन देखेंगे तो रिएक्शन में यहाँ पर कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड यूज हो रही है which is giving fluffiness to the cakes, but साथ में सोडियम कार्बोनेट is also released. तो सोडियम कार्बोनेट जो है that's basic in nature, and that basic you have got slight bitter taste is there. So tartaric acid is added to remove that bitter taste. So that acid reacts with the base to neutralize it and remove that bitter taste. So it's a common question asked in exam. So very important question. Baking soda or sodium bicarbonate is mildly basic in nature. It's used as antacid to neutralize the excess acid which is generated in the stomach. तो जो reaction followed हो रही है, that is your base plus acid gives salt plus water. It's also used in CO2 fire extinguishers, where baking soda is reacted with sulfuric acid to produce carbon dioxide, which is used to extinguish fire. Solvay process में जो next product which we are getting is ammonium chloride. It's in form of white crystalline salt. ये slightly acidic in nature है, और इसका जो primary used है that is to manufacture nitrogenous fertilizers, जो आपके ammonia based fertilizers हैं. So those raw material used is ammonium chloride. Ammonium chloride is also used as an electrolyte in dry cells. It's also extensively used in treatment of cough. Sodium bicarbonate, that is baking soda, when we heat it we get sodium carbonate, which is also called as soda ash. यहाँ पर जो आपका water of crystallization है that is missing, so we also call it anhydrous sodium carbonate. This reaction is to produce soda ash from sodium bicarbonate. इसका जो primary use है that is to manufacture glass. Soda ash is also used extensively in manufacturing soaps and detergent. So we will see this in detail in chapter carbon and its compound. Besides that, it is used in making lithium carbonate, which is used in batteries, and it's used in metallurgy for extraction of various metals. Last but not least, soda ash is also used for manufacturing washing soda. Let's discuss slightly more in detail about washing soda. So जब आप soda ash को water के साथ treat करेंगे, so you will get crystalline structures of washing soda. So this is your sodium carbonate decahydrate. So this is each molecule of sodium carbonate is having 10 molecules of water attached with it. नाउ इन द रिएक्शन, जो आपका मेन रिएक्शन है जिसमें सोडियम कार्बोनेट प्रोड्यूस हो रहा है, यू विल सी दैट वाटर इज गेटिंग इवॉल्व आउट। और यहाँ पर जो हमारी दूसरी रिएक्शन आ रही है जहाँ पर हम सोडियम कार्बोनेट को वापस वाटर के साथ ही ट्रीट कर रहे हैं, वी आर गेटिंग द क्रिस्टलाइन स्ट्रक्चर्स। सो वी कॉल दिस ऑल्सो एज रिक्रिस्टलाइजेशन ऑफ सोडियम कार्बोनेट। पहली रिएक्शन में हम सोडियम बाइकार्बोनेट में से वाटर जो है इवॉल्व आउट कर रहे थे, और नेक्स्ट रिएक्शन में हम वापस वाटर ऐड कर रहे हैं, बट दिस इज गेटिंग इन फॉर्म ऑफ क्रिस्टल्स ऑफ वाटर। सो ये जो आपका वॉशिंग सोडा है, दिस इज वेरी एल्कलाइन विद pH ऑफ 11। लेट्स चेक इट्स यूजेस। तो जो प्राइमरी यूज है इसका, दैट इज टू मैन्युफैक्चर ग्लास, सोप, पेपर। तो मैन्युफैक्चरिंग इंडस्ट्री में वॉशिंग सोडा इज वन ऑफ द प्राइमरी रॉ मटेरियल। Households, washing soda is used extensively for the cleaning purpose, to remove grease, to remove stains. Soda also helps us to remove the hardness of water. तो जो हमारे घर में पानी आता है उसमें कैल्शियम और मैग्नीशियम आयंस होते हैं. If that concentration is very high, around 300-400 ppm, then the water is said to be hard. उसमें जो आपका सोप से जो लेदर फॉर्म होते हैं वो लेदर आपका एक्सटेंसिवली फॉर्म नहीं हो पाते हैं, एंड द क्लीनिंग इफेक्ट इज लेस. तो जो आपका वॉशिंग सोडा है, वॉशिंग सोडा रिएक्ट्स विद कैल्शियम आयंस एंड मैग्नीशियम आयंस टू फॉर्म calcium carbonate or magnesium carbonate, which is insoluble. It forms the precipitate and thus the water become soft. Soda is also used to make lot of sodium compounds including borax. So borax is an excellent laundry detergent and used for cleaning purpose in houses. So this was all about the products which we can obtain from common salt and their uses. So again, जो जितने भी products हैं, all the products can be divided in two categories: products obtained directly from chlor-alkali process or indirectly from it, and products obtained from Solvay process. तो Solvay process से related जो products हैं which we have talked about is your sodium bicarbonate, that is baking soda, sodium carbonate which is soda ash, and sodium carbonate decahydrate which is washing soda. I hope you enjoyed the video and its topics related your concepts are crystal clear. See you in next video. Till then, tata, bye bye.